Hello, welcome to next series of India Edu tutorials. Today we would be discussing about binomial probability. A binomial probability is that probability where an event has only two outcomes. For example, if we are having an event E, then it will be having only two outcomes, either A or B. Similarly, A event will be having two outcomes, either A1 or A2. B will be having two outcomes, B1 or B2. The formula for calculating this binomial probability is P x equals to K, where NCK P to the power K into Q to the power N minus K. P here stands for probability of success. Q stands for probability of failure. Since there are only two outcomes of any event, so there can be either success or failure. N is equals to total number of occurrences and K denotes total number of favorable outcomes. If you need to calculate the mean, then it is equal to N into P, and for variance it is NPQ. Now NCK is calculated as NCK. It is calculated as factorial N divided by factorial K into factorial of N minus K. For example, if N equals to 5 and K equals to 3, we have 5C3, which will be written as factorial 5 divided by factorial 3 into 5 minus 3, which is equal to factorial 5 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 2. This will be equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 3 will be written as 3 into 2 into 1 again into 2 will be written as 2 into 1. So in this way this NCK is calculated. Now let's move to some practical examples. The question says a bag contains 30 black and 20 white balls. 7 balls are drawn with replacement. Find the probability of drawing all are black. In the second case, we need to find out the probability of only 4 are black. So using our formula of conditional probability, which is equal to NCK P to the power K into Q to the power N minus K. Here N would be equal to 7 as 7 balls are drawn. P would be equal to probability of black balls, which is equal to 30 by 50, because black balls are 30 and total number of balls are 50. Q will be equal to probability of white balls, which is equal to 20 by 50. Putting these, and K will be equal to, as we need to find out all are black, so K will be equal to 7. So our formula becomes 7C7 P to the power K. P is 30 by 50 to the power 7 into 20 by 50 to the power N minus K, that is 7 minus K, which is equal to factorial 7 upon factorial 7 to factorial 0 into 30 by 50 to the power 7 into 20 by 50 to the power 0. Factorial 7 cancels factorial 7, 0, 0. This gives us 3 by 5 to the power 7 into, because its power is 0, so it will be equal to 1. So 3 upon 5 to the power 7 is the answer of first case. Let's solve the second case. In the second part, there are 4 black balls we need to find. So only the value of K will be changed, which would be equal to 4. Putting this in the formula will give us 7C4 into 30 divided by 50 to the power K, which is 4, into 20 by 50 to the power 7 minus 4. This will give us factorial 7 divided by factorial 4 into factorial 3 into 30 by 50 to the power 4, 20 by 50 to the power 3, 0 cancels 0. This gives us 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 by 5 to the power 4 into 2 divided by 5 to the power 3. 2 cancels, 3 cancels, 4 cancels, 3 divided by 6, 2 cancels. This gives us 7 into 5 into 3 by 5 to the power 4 to 2 by 5 to the power 3. This gives us 7 into 5 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 7, and minusing 1 5 gives us 7 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 6 as the answer. Let's move to another example. The question says, at an election, 30% of voters favored party A. If at random, interviewer selects 5 voters, then what is the probability that 3 favor the party, majority favor the party, and in the third case, at most 2 favor the party? Now, using our formula of conditional probability, which is equal to NCK to P to the power K into Q to the power N minus K. Here, N is equal to 5 because he selects 5 voters. P would be equal to probability of that who favored the party, which is equal to 30 divided by 100, which gives us 3 by 10 on cancelling zeros, and Q will be equal to the remaining people, which is 70 by 100, which gives us 7 by 10. In our first question, we need to find out 3 favor the party. So here K equals to 3. Putting all these values in our formula gives us 5C3 into 3 by 10 to the power 3 into 7 by 10 to the power 5 minus 3, which gives us factorial 5 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 2 into 3q divided by 10q into 7 square divided by square of 10. That gives us 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 to 2 into cube of 3 is equal to 27 upon 1000 into 49 divided by 100. 2 cancels 2, 3 divided by 3, 2 into 2 gives 4. We guess 5 into 2, 10 into 27 divided by 1000 into 49 by 100. Cancel it, gives us 27 into 49 gives us 1323 divided by 10,000 as the answer. Now, let's move to second part. Our second part says majority favor the A. So in majority, either 3 will favor party A, or 4 will favor party A, or 5 will favor party A. So we need to find out probability of x equals to 3 plus probability of x equals to 4 plus probability of x equals to 5. Putting formulas for all gives us 5c3 into p to the power 3 into q to the power 2 plus 5c4 p to the power 4 to q to the power 1 plus 5c5 into p to the power 5 into q to the power 1. It gives us factorial 5 upon factorial 3 into factorial 2. P is 3 by 10 cube into 7 by 10 square plus factorial 5 upon factorial 4 factorial 1 into 3 by 10 to the power 4 into 7 by 10 plus factorial 5 upon factorial 5 into 3 by 10 to the power 5 into 7 by 10 to the power 0. Now solving this gives us 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 cube divided by cube of 10 into square of 7 upon square of 10 plus 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 3 to the power 4 upon 10 to the power 4 into 7 divided by 10 plus 5 cancels 5 and we get 3 by 10 to the power 5 into 7 by 10 to the power 0 is 1. So cancelling them gives us 2. Here again cancel them. So we get 5 into 2 is 10 into cube of 3 upon cube of 10 into square of 7 square of 10 plus 5 into 3 to the power 4 upon 10 to the power 4 into 7 by 10 plus 3 by 10 to the power 5. Solving all this equation gives us the answer 4077 divided by 25,000. Now let's move to our third part. Here in the third part it has been asked at most 2 favor A. So at most 2 it means either 0 favors either 1 or 2. So we need to find out the probability of x equals to 0 plus x equals to 1 or plus x equals to 2. Putting the values we get here x is 0. So we get 5c0 into p to the power 0 into q to the power 5 plus 5c1 p to the power 1 into q to the power 4 plus 5c2 into p to the power 2 into q to the power 3, which gives us factorial 5 upon factorial 0 factorial 5 into p is 3 by 10 to the power 1 into 7 by 10 to the power 5 plus factorial 5 upon factorial 4 into factorial 1 into 3 by 10 to the power 1 to 7 by 10 to the power 4 plus factorial 5 upon factorial 3 to factorial 2 into 3 by 10 to the power 2 and 7 by 10 to the power 4. Here it will be 0. So 5 cancels 5. We get 3 divided by 10 to the power 0 is 1. So we get 7 by 10 to the power 5 plus here we get 5 into 4 to 3 into 2 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So cancelling them into 3 by 10 into 7 to the power 4 upon 10 to the power 4 plus 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 to 2. Cancelling them we get 3 square upon 10 square into 7 to the power 4 upon 10 to the power 4. Solving this equation we get the answer as 20923 divided by 25,000. For more tricks you can log into indiaedu.com.